How long must the people be that human sacrifice? Stand up, defend your rights. Up, up, mighty race, you can accomplish what you will. Stand up, defend your rights. In one day, they destroyed what took 1,000 to build. Stand up, defend your rights. They may conquer other lands, but they never kill the will. Stand up, defend your rights. Liberty and democracy are truly expensive, can even cost one's life. And those who stand for nothing fall for any little thing. Father, heal the blinded eyes. The immortal advantage taken of the people, the heavens heard the cries. Savior, our calamities are so great. Patiently the humble wait. To attain freedom, why must there be shedding of blood? Is there no real love? Are they still holding a grudge? Being an institution to keep us down, massive destruction of other nations, less investment in education. Where did we went wrong? Stand up, defend your rights. Nation going to war against each other, but you are still my brother regardless of color. We demand the rights to be heard, the rights to be seen, the rights to question information. Can't you see the federal manipulation? Millions dying of starvation as the superpower plants another bomber clot invasion. Who has the power to veto? Stand up and say no. Defend your rights. You have already paid the price and been the sacrifice. No more shedding of blood. No more loss of lives. Remove the veil from your eyes.